Hi, welcome back to Whisper Wednesday. So today we're going to be talking about reducing clutter for a calmer environment. Clutter can overwhelm children with autism, making it hard to focus and relax. And what we don't want to do is overstimulate them. No, because their spaces are not set up for them. So even though as parents, I know we like to buy lots of toys, but one of the ways we can reduce this overstimulation is by purchasing bins and shelves and keeping things organized neatly. And this helps to create a space, an atmosphere of calm, right? This helps the children to be able to focus more when their areas are set up for them. So by reducing the clutter, we can help our children relax and become focused, because that's what we want our children to become focused. So if you need help doing that, all you have to do is contact PartlyWhimsical for a tailored environment. Remember, God loves you. All you have to do is believe it. All right, bye for now. Bye. See you next Wednesday.